Now let us know about the income and expenditure account. So income and expenditure account is cash summary of all the incomes and expenditure. The income and expenditure account is same as profit and loss account but prepared on accrual basis. Now what is accrual basis? Accrual basis is a method of recording transaction when revenue is earned and expenses incurred. So accrual basis is the method of recording transactions when revenue is earned and expenses are incurred. Let us take an example. A company operating under accrual basis will record sales as soon as it issues invoice to the customer. Now, whereas if it was on cash basis, the company on cash basis would had record sale after receiving the payment. Okay, so in cash basis, the company records after receiving the payment, whereas in accrual basis, the company record sales as soon as it issue invoice to the customer.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Do like the video if it was helpful for you and subscribe to the channel for upcoming updates. Until next time.
In case of any doubts, confusions, or in case of any guidance with respect to your academics, please reach out to us on the mentioned email address and the WhatsApp number.
Bye bye.